Did you know that 75% of Nigerian youth will need new skills by 2030 just to stay competitive? That's not a random start, it's a serious signal. The job market in Nigeria is changing very, very fast, from automation to AI, from remote work and booming tech scenes. If you want to earn well and then stay relevant, you need a new strategy. In this video, I will break down the exact skills you need, the industries that are full of opportunities, and how you position yourself for the future of work in Nigeria. So let's dive in. The changing landscape. First, what's really changing? Number one, automation and AI. Machines and smart softwares are replacing competitive jobs, but they're also creating new roles in data, tech, and digital management as well. If you can manage systems, analyze data, or build tech tools, you are in demand. Number two, remote work is now normal. Since COVID-19 in 2020, companies have shifted. You no longer need to work in an office to earn in dollars or in naira as well. Visual assistants, social media managers, freelance writers. These are booming careers right now. Number three, continuous learning is a must. The mindset is simple. Learn, unlearn, and then relearn. The people who will are the ones who evolve. Essential skills for the future. So what skills should you be learning? Number one, digital literacy. Can you use tools like Canva, Google Docs, social media for your business, or manage basic data with Excel? You see, these skills are no longer optional. Number two, critical thinking. You see, Nigeria has 1001 problems. If you can solve one of them, you will be paid for it. Think deeper, solve smarter, and create systems. Number three, communication and collaboration, whether remote or on-site. Your ability to express your thoughts and then work with others will determine how far you will go. Soft skills matter as much as the hard skills matters. Now let's talk about opportunities. The Nigerian tech ecosystem is booming. Startups in Lagos, tech hubs in Abuja, programmers in Port Harcourt. The future is already happening. Fintech and e-commerce are leading the charge. Mobile money, online shopping, digital banking. These industries are hiring. So how do you actually build a future-proof career? Start with you. Know your strengths, know your interests, know what excites you, then learn in that direction. Next, build your network, attend events, join LinkedIn, follow industry leaders, message people, ask questions. Your next opportunity might come from one conversation. So finally, find a mentor. Don't work alone. Someone who has been there before, where you want to go. Learn from them. Ask for their wisdom, not handouts. Now, here is the truth. If you wait for the government or your employer to save you, you will be left behind. You must take ownership. Start small. Take free courses on Coursera. Try Google Skill Shop. Join the community. Practice your skills daily. There are grants, scholarships, and programs out there, but only the curious ones will find them. Lifelong learning is not an option anymore. It's a survival strategy. This is not about becoming a tech bro. It's about becoming relevant in a fast-changing world. Let's not just complain about Nigeria. Let's prepare for what's next. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Leave a comment with one skill you are learning this year. Let's build a community of future-ready Nigerians. Welcome to StreetMBA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. The future of work is here.